The process to become a financial literacy master teacher was easy. I spent a few hours studying every week, but not only that, I worked with other individuals in my cohort to learn the material and to help present and educate our students.
The Master Teacher Program has been wonderful for me. I attended a workshop with SE Economics. The program was mentioned to me. I applied, and it has just been absolutely wonderful. I've got to meet a lot of wonderful people who have shared all kinds of fun and exciting ideas with me, and I just kind of feel like I've been a part of a community that is really passionate about financial education.
It's been a great process. Chandler and this whole program has given me so many tools that I otherwise did not have access to. Just our curriculum at our school does not provide this information, so the wealth of knowledge that I've gained from this program is unmatched.
I've enjoyed my tenure in this program. It's not only helped me grow as a financial literacy teacher, but I've also met some amazing teachers who have shared insight with me about things they do in their classroom, different projects they do with their students that they've enjoyed, even the tests they offer through this program. It's definitely a family atmosphere, and we all support each other, and I do enjoy being a part of this program. So I would tell any teacher, please go for it.